She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. We are doing a blend request, and first I want to show you guys the colors or the braiding hair brands that I'm using. So these are the brands that I'm using in today's video, and I didn't get the brand for the last color, but I'll try to do better next time. So this blend request is actually coming from my Facebook page, and this is coming from Erica Jantel, who wanted to see the colors orange, 30, and 613 or 27. In this one, we're going to do 613. And for the orange, I'm using this neon orange. That's the only orange I can find in my local beauty supply store. You guys know that when I do my blend request videos, I get my hair directly from my local beauty supply stores. I don't order online or anything like that. So if it's not in my local beauty supply stores, then I'm tough out of luck. But yeah, so I'm getting a lot of these blends. I'm starting to get a lot of these blends just sitting around, and I don't want to just throw them out. So if you see a blend that maybe you want, contact me on Instagram. Contact me on Instagram, and we can work a way to maybe I can ship some of these to you guys. Again, I just don't want to put it to waste. It won't be for free though, but let me know, and I could ship some of these blends to you guys. Maybe, and this could just be like a little sample. It's not gonna, you're not gonna get your whole 5 packs required for, like, you know, a braided style, but you can get a little sample just to see, you know, maybe if this is something that you would purchase in the future if I ever was to put it out, or just to see if it's something that you want to try to blend yourself. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, again, contact me on Instagram. My Instagram is @braids_by_diamond. You can send me a message and we can get something set up to ship out to you guys for these blends. I like this blend because although this orange, we use a neon orange, you'll see that when it's all thoroughly blended, the color 30 pretty much cancels out that neon orange, and it's not as bright as you would expect. To me, it looks like I did the colors 613, 27, and 30, which is something I do want to try. If you guys want to see that, drop it in the comments below so I can do that. But that's what it looks like when I ended up blending this all the way through. It didn't even look like it had the color orange or that neon orange in it, so I love that. Anyways, I'll let you guys watch, leave your comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. And I hope you guys are blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye, guys.